Okay, Mac, Lisa, Jamie, anybody else who wants to see this, this is the laundry room cabinets. This is the last and final piece of the Mac Harmon project. So what we're looking at here is the upper cabinet for the laundry, upside down. So you can see this beautiful Oregon pine cleef, which is extremely durable, all made from recycled materials. It's awesome. So you're seeing all the upper doors, and this is with the valance attached. And if you look over here, you can see we've pre-fit the channel for the visual comfort lighting that goes inside there. And this is the top valance pieces, the bottom skin. This is your sink base cabinet. Just like everywhere else in the house, any place where the cabinet meets a wall, either at the back or at the side, the stiles are extended 1 inch so they can be scribed exactly to the wall, ceiling, or floor. We're going to pause for a sec and go look. Okay, and this is the tall linen closet cabinet. Inside here, you'll see the plano fits, and that stabilizes the door so that in the future, if they ever warp, you can always pop these off, and this little Allen set screw, you can tighten or loosen it to, help pull the bow out of the door should they bow. The AWI always recommends that we do something like that for doors that exceed 50 inches, which these do. And then inside here, you can see it's line board the entire distance for adjustable shelves as well as the closet rod. So this closet rod can get moved to whatever heights you want, or if in the future you want to add a second one, you can. And then up here in the top cabinet, it's all line board for adjustable shelves. So I think that's pretty much it. I already talked to Jamie. It looks like we're at least a couple weeks, or if not a few weeks out before we deliver. So we're going to get this wrapped up and moved over into our storage bay. And Ralph and Jamie will work out the time for the delivery. So that's all I have. Happy holidays, and we'll see you guys next year. Thank you.